Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can add a table in your MS Word document. So first let's open our MS Word, and here you can see that I have this blank document right here. And for example, I want to add a table, for example, say at this position. So all I need to do is click on this insert tab right here in the ribbon. And once I click on the insert tab, I can see this table option right here. So all I need to do is click on here, and from here I can choose the number of rows and columns that I want to be present in the table that I'm going to be insert. So here you can see that this is a specific diagram. So the number of cells you highlight, you will get those cells. So since, for example, if I want a 3 column table, I can simply choose these 3 horizontal columns right here, and here you can see that I have got 3 columns. And to make it into a number of rows, I can simply move my cursor in a vertical direction. So for example, if I want say 3 or 4 rows, I can simply move it to 3 and 4. Here you can see that this is a table with 3 columns and 4 rows. So if you want to add any number of rows and table, you can simply do so by dragging your cursor around. And for example, if you want something more than these, for example, since this layout will give you a table with 10 columns and 8 rows. So if you want more than that, you can simply click on this insert table option right here as well. And from here, you can simply choose the number of columns. So for example, I want say 12 columns and 10 rows. So all I need to do is, once I have specified the number of columns and rows, there is also an auto fit behavior, which I usually keep it to auto fit to windows and auto fit to contents, or you may also keep it to the same width as well. So just prefer any of these three choices. If you choose this one, the column width will be always fixed no matter what, and the other option is to auto fit to content. So the greater your content, the greater will be the column width, and or the cell width you can say. And then there is also this auto fit to windows, so it will always ensure that the table is within these specified parameters of the paper. So you may choose any of the option. For example, I am choosing auto fit to windows right here, and you can even also choose to remember these dimensions for new tables as well if you want. And then once you are set, you can simply click on this OK button right here, and here you can see that the table has been successfully inserted into our Word document. To enter any data, simply click on the cell on which you want to enter data, and you can simply type the data to enter the data in your table. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.